9th of April 2019, coming from KC. Check it out, guys. Look at the cloud up there. Look how it's dispersing. You see that right there? There you got the airplanes going today, pretty heavy. I'll back this back out a little bit, see if I can pan over a little bit. If I can get that. See that or not there. I've already seen about 5 go overhead so far now. What's unusual about this is how it's dispersing and how it's coming down from the cloud itself. It's almost like trying to make almost like a little small funnel tornado or something, the way the air is swirling it around. Check that out. Look at that underneath there, how it's dispersing. Just a short little video clip. Have a good one.